I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, here to show you how to fix a kitchen faucet. Now on your kitchen faucet, for when you're going to fix it, of course, first thing, find out where it's leaking. If you've got a leak in the spout, these spouts have a seal or an O-ring, so they can be removed. There's a lock nut. Up inside of here is a seal or a gasket that can be replaced. Sometimes it can be a little bit tricky. If you've gotten a leak out of the end of your spout itself, then you're going to need to remove the cartridge or stem. To do so, remove your handle. And here's your cartridge. A pair of pliers or a crescent wrench should unscrew that cartridge right out of there. Then you'll need to take this to the store and match it up, because there are different brands. Each manufacturer, each brand is going to have a different thread. Some of them will also have a seat located below the stem. This particular one is a seatless, so there's no seat inside of here. Once you get your new one, work it in reverse. Of course, hopefully before you removed that, you had the water turned off. Retighten your handle, and you've now fixed your kitchen faucet. And again, I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, and we've showed you how to fix a kitchen faucet.